Happy New Year and New Decade, everyone. I am Lin. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make hummus. Hummus is a popular dip in Middle East and the Mediterranean. It is Arabic word for chickpeas. The full name of the dip means chickpeas with tahini, and tahini is ground toasted sesame. The reason I want to make my own hummus is that I noticed two main differences between the store-bought hummus and what they serve in the restaurants. The first is that the store-bought one is more sour. The second is what they serve in the restaurant has richer tahini flavor. Here is the recipe. Alright, let's make it. First, prepare the chickpeas. You can either use store-bought canned chickpeas, so you do not need to cook it, or you can cook it from dry chickpeas. I tried with both. I could not tell much difference between the flavor or taste. Cooking chickpeas is super easy. Just rinse it, then put it in the slow cooker with water. I used a lot of water in case it is too dry. Add some bay leaves and garlic. I used some garlic powder instead of fresh garlic this time. Cook it with the low temperature for 8 hours. The bag of chickpea package I got contains 1 pound of chickpeas, which will yield more than you need to make one batch according to the recipe. I freeze the rest of the chickpeas so that I can use them later. Once we have the chickpea cooked, we can make the hummus. First, get the lemon juice from 1 big lemon. Among the few times that I have made so far, I found that the hummus is a bit too sour for me using 1 big lemon. It tastes more like the store-bought hummus. If you are like me, either use a medium-sized lemon or do not squeeze too hard on the lemon. Add the tahini in. Use the blender to blend it till they become smooth. You will notice that the color of tahini turned lighter after mixing with the lemon juice. Today, I am using an immersion hand blender which I purchased recently to make hummus. You can use a food processor if you do not have an immersion hand blender. If you have a powerful blender such as Vitamix, it should also work. I used my Blendtec blender once before. It did not seem to be able to handle it well since the mixture is quite dense. Now add the garlic clove, salt, ground cumin, and olive oil to the mixture. Mix until even and smooth. Then add the chickpeas and blend until smooth. If you like the dip less dense, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Otherwise, you can skip the water. To make it less dense, you can also add a little bit more olive oil instead of water. You can try either way to see which way you prefer. Now I got my homemade hummus. Yum! If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Happy living! Happy cooking. See you next time.